Hi everyone! Have you ever dreamed of a lifestyle that is delicious but also incredibly healthy? Yes, we're talking about a Mediterranean lifestyle, a vibrant way of living known for its health benefits, from heart health to longevity. But you might be thinking, how do I actually do that every day? I've heard all of the excuses and I've even used some of these myself. But I have to go to work. How do I make a Mediterranean lunch? I live in the city, nowhere near the Mediterranean. We get winter here. I don't have time to cook, or I don't know how to cook, or what do I do? Well, I'm here to tell you it's easier than you think. You don't need to move to Crete or to Sardinia or to become a professional chef overnight. The beauty of a Mediterranean lifestyle lives in its simplicity and accessibility. We're going to break down 3 easy habits you can start incorporating today to embrace this healthy Mediterranean style way of life. Habit number 1, embrace the power of plants. This isn't about becoming a strict vegetarian, but rather making plants the star of your plate. Fill half of your plate with vegetables. Add whole grains or beans or fruit to a quarter of your plate, and then with the last quarter, make meat your side dish. Some days, swap out the meat for fish or another hearty vegetable, like eggplant or sweet potato. Here are some ways to add a touch of the Mediterranean to your breakfast. Add a scoop of black beans to your breakfast plate. Toss some spinach into your eggs. Add a handful of berries as a side dish. Trade your supermarket bread for fresh bread from the bakery. Instead of cereal, make a breakfast bowl with whole grains such as oats or farro. These foods are packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants, keeping you full, energized, and protecting your body. Habit number 2, make olive oil your best friend. Extra virgin olive oil is the cornerstone of the Mediterranean diet, and for good reason. It's rich in healthy monounsaturated fats and antioxidants. Here are some actionable tips. Swap out butter and other cooking oil for olive oil when sautéing, roasting, or making salad dressings. Use it generously as a finishing oil for flavor. Olive oil is surprisingly good when drizzled on eggs. Instead of buttery garlic bread, make an olive oil dipping sauce for your bakery bread. Olive oil is a fantastic source of healthy fats that are crucial for heart health and reducing inflammation. Plus, it tastes amazing. Habit number 3, savor your meals and connect. The Mediterranean lifestyle isn't just about what you eat, but how you eat. It's about slowing down, savoring your food, and sharing meals with loved ones. Here are some actionable tips. Try to eat at least 1 meal a day with family or friends. Sharing meals and spending time connecting with others is key to this healthy, happy lifestyle. Put away your phone during meals. Really taste your food and engage in conversation. If eating alone, create a peaceful environment for yourself. Be mindful about what you're eating. Set a nice table. Light a candle. You're worth it. Think about adding healthy, colorful foods to your plate instead of focusing on what you're cutting out. This promotes mindfulness, reduces stress, and strengthens social bonds, all crucial aspects of overall well-being. Eating slowly also helps your body register fullness, preventing overeating. Let's recap. By embracing these 3 tiny habits, embracing plant-based foods, making extra virgin olive oil your healthy fat of choice, and savoring your meals with loved ones, you'll be well on your way to experiencing the fabulous benefits of a Mediterranean lifestyle every single day, no matter where you live or how busy you are. See, it's simple, right? If you want to dive deeper, you may be interested in my Mediterranean Diet Introductory course, The Body Mind Detox. You'll find the link in the description box below for more information. So what's one habit you're going to try incorporating today? Let me know in the comments below. Thank you so much for watching this video today, and I'll see you very soon. Bye.